Hi, this is FRC Team 6071's vlog for week 2.
I'm Connor Nerlin.
And I'm Helen Chung.
To start off, Fab Team has been building the field elements for our training. So far they have built the pyramid, the feeder station, and the goals. Actually, the other day we shot a 54-foot three-point goal.
Right now, CAD is working on finishing up the drawings and shipping them out to Harris Manufacturing. They just have a few edits here and there, and then the other teams, like electronics and programming, can finally get to work.
So that was basically week 2.
Remember to check out the links below, and remember to rate and subscribe.
Be sure to check back next week for our next vlog.
Thanks.
Bye.
Here's 200. Here's 120 pounds pure muscle.
Yeah, on the moon.
Why is it so wobbly?
213 pounds of pure muscle. Do not be
We're
afraid.
still tightening and
Everything you see here is real.
Come with me if you want to leave.
Wham!
Sparta!
It's like a jungle gym for late.
If I sit in here, I'll never age.
Here, why don't you grab those? Pull-ups. Come on, Mr. Lake. Work out
Put
time.
your foot on there. One arm, Mr.
Wait,
Lake.
just
Yeah, one arm.
The bag.
Oh God, what was that?
I know. I heard the wood crack.
no, it's my back.
What?
This is my back.
That's still not good.
Yeah. You want to see another one?
Not good. What's going on? That noise
that
does
was
not
good.
sound good.
What?
I heard cracking, right there.